Here's a new 2025 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. You need a truck that's as much of a workhorse as you are. This Tundra was built to meet life's toughest demands. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: twin-turbo V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, engine auto stop start feature, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, steering assist cruise control, and automatic transmission. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.